Meet Shaheeda Bano, the millionaire entrepreneur who built her wealth on the back of her YouTube funnel strategy. Now, she's made millions through her courses and coaching programs, and she's not done yet. Want to know the 3 key takeaways from Shaheeda's success? Keep watching. Shaheeda applied the attract, capture, and monetize principle to her YouTube channel and started to see significant results. But what is the attract, capture, and monetize principle exactly? It's a powerful framework for building successful sales funnels and growing her coaching empire. The attract stage is all about getting your target audience to notice and become interested in your brand or product. This is where Shaheeda's yoga videos and vlogs come in. By offering high-quality content that is both engaging and informative, she was able to attract a large following of yoga enthusiasts and build her brand. Next comes the capture stage. Once you have attracted your audience's attention, you need to capture their contact information, such as their email address and maybe phone numbers. This allows you to stay in touch with them and continue to offer valuable content and resources. Shaheeda did this by including links to her course site at Nourish and other online courses and coaching programs in her videos and vlogs. Finally, there is the monetize stage. This is where you convert your leads into paying customers by offering them a product or service that meets their needs. Shaheeda accomplished this by offering one-on-one consultations with her, as well as online courses and group coaching programs. So, what are the key takeaways from Shaheeda's success? First, focus on creating high-quality content that solves a specific problem. This means identifying what your domain expertise is. Then identify who your target audience is, their pain problems, or the big opportunities that this audience is looking for. Second, start distributing this content across channels to build a following. Now there are several ways to do it. You could start building your audience on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. The key is to create content in the format that is trending on that social media platform and around those pain problems that this target audience is trying to get information on. Third, capture your audience's contact information so you can continue to stay in touch with them. Offer high-value content in exchange for their contact information. Shaheeda did this by offering live sessions and mini courses. And finally, monetize your leads by offering them products or services that solves their pain problems. Shaheeda's courses and live sessions help her target audience with arthritis, gut health issues, flexibility, diabetes, and so much more. So create courses and coaching programs around specific pain problems. You will see far greater success rather than creating generic content. So that's it. By following these principles, you too can build a successful sales funnel like Shaheeda's. You heard it here first. Offering courses can open a whole new stream of income for entrepreneurs just like Shaheeda Bano. By applying the attract, capture, and monetize principle to her YouTube channel and offering valuable courses through Nourish, Shaheeda has built a business that continues to thrive and grow. And the best part? You can apply these same principles to your own business, no matter how big or small. If you want to learn how, I have added a link in the description for a free masterclass on how you can also launch your courses and coaching programs. Plus build funnels for those programs and sell faster. Do check out the link. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business soar. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.